No, start from now.
This relationship is the one shy, but I said about this relationship just so you come in here, sir. I gotta get this money, this fit. But it's remember when he come, you can tell you that put it on consider the relationship for this one. Come in your man.
Good night, good night, good night.
Good night, good night, good night.
Yeah, you say you want to see me, man, so.
Yeah, can't forget you. Remember the relationship?
Yeah, man, I remember about the relationship thing you tell me about. Yeah, we start the relationship or what?
Well, I want to take this relationship serious. Right, cause I got relationship problems. I mean, wonder right now. Me wonder right now. Right?
When you see with me now, I come in a relationship with you. You not get no more relationship problem. I just come for fix your problem. You see me now. I just come for fix your problem and heal you. So, with me not get no relationship problem, man.
I get trust issue. I get heartbreak. Heartbreak to show you could come and fix me problem, shy boss. Yeah, right, let me see, Mr. Fixer. If you're the fixer, bring your fixer, let me fix it. Cause this hard anytime. You don't know.
Man, well, you say you got trust issue, man. It's short, boss. You talk about if you got trust issue, you get heartbreak already, man. I tell you, it's a bill, you know. I tell you, I come for fix this relationship problem. Cause watch this, right? You got heartbreak and then think that I got screwdriver set. I got chisel. This chisel here, so it's for chisel out the pieces and put them back together and then think that they say for screw and the screw. For keep it tight, I got my screwdriver set. I even got spanner. Tighten the board. I even got pliers. All this here. So for help fix your relationship problem, break anything, man. I even got a ratchet. For this going to help me with the socket then for make sure everything tight in and the socket here. So man, you got relationship problem ready for bill and fix your relationship problem. It's short, but it's talking to. Plus I got force it kit. If you hard work ready, I got force it kit. Well prepared and ready.
Wow, you can really prepare, boy? What?
Yeah, I must got really come really prepared.
It shocked me. You got all this equipment for me? You really want this relationship? You got all this equipment for me? Eh? Wow, what a gentleman you are. Short boss? This relationship will last long, man. I like it, I love it. No, let me rephrase that. I love it. Wow. You already healing a piece of me. Okay.
Well, you done, it's my pleasure for protect you, my treasure, for make you feel comfortable. As I tell you, it's short boss, the only boss, take care of you know, your relationship problems. I wouldn't run away, you know. I here for build you, take care of your relationship problems, because it's my problem too.
What a gentleman you are. Wow.
Well, I must be a gentleman in our race, so other than heartbreak, communication problem and you know, trust issue and anything, what other more relation problem do you have that I can't face because I'm right here?
Well, I'm glad you answered that. That's why I love you.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Yes. You like a beautiful take care of everything. That's why I love you. Well, I get a big relationship problem with my landlord.
Yeah, listen, yo.
I get 50K, I get 50K within 2 days.
50K within 2 days? Wow.
Yes, within 2 days. I see, like, if we're in this relationship, you say, me problem is your problem.
But I don't see me problem is paying 50K.
But so you want a new relationship, right? And you say, me problem is your problem. Don't sleep.
Yeah. We did the relationship already?
No, I haven't done any relationship since we don't talk.
I didn't know.
You start stammering, don't stamp on me now. Come on.
Man, but 50K in 2 days, so, is you man?
No, use me, man.
Oh, Sky 50K in 2 days.
Yes, in 2 days.
There's a big relationship problem. I ain't me ain't got the tools for fix the kind of problem there.
But you see, why you beg the suggestion of asking that question if it didn't?
Because we fixing relationship problem, but you know there's a big relationship problem you putting me through. Remember we just meet one another and then for far then the relationship just and then going pay 50K rent, man.
You want this relationship?
What you did is oh. What you did is oh.
It's like, yay! Oh, I can't believe this. And this man, when you talk about money, this man just gets scared. And I got talk some money talk. And let the rest of them go around nowhere. Talk! Don't see the way them go for the money. I'm gonna so. Thank God me I paid 50,000 because I know I want to get this man down. Look, get me there.
What? I really have to cut around by because it's 50K she want. 50K for parent. But I got plus I got to with a little fine change so that you know what buy something for she definitely things select shop clothes by and hey keep me money. Yeah. Oh shucks. Like me oh skies like me.
Is mommy there? What? I got a little fine change. Look, you know you want and you left me, you know you left. Aye!